Hey, so in this video we are going to learn how you can convert an Epsilon NFA to a complete DFA, right? So here is an NFA given, and we know how to convert Epsilon NFA to NFA first, and we need to do this. Okay, so here is a table. We just follow this one. Q0 is initial state and Q2 is final state, right? So Q0 on 0 transition we go on Q0, and 1 there is no transition. Okay, so we just do the same Q0 and epsilon, and we also write the null closure of Q0 in the side because it will be needed later. Okay, and we do the rest process similarly. Okay, so now in case of DFA, start with Q0, start with epsilon of Q0, or indirectly null closure of Q0. Okay, so the null closure of Q0 is this one. Let me just clarify. Null closure means where you can move, in which state you can move without using any input, just using the epsilon. Okay, so we can move on Q0, Q1, Q2, and as well on to Q3. Okay, so these all 4 states are null closure of Q0. Okay, so we start with this state. Okay, so after that we have to check on input 0 what are the transition could be. So if we check on this state, we have to union on all 4 these. So here is a table. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, so if we do union of all these 4 transitions for input 0, we only get Q0 and Q2, but this is not the actual answer. We have to also take the union of null closure of Q2 and Q2, Q0 and Q2. Okay, so if we just do the union of null closure, we get Q1, Q2 and Q3, all 4 state. Okay, so this is just the answer. Okay, for input 0, and if we do the same for 1, then we just union them all, Q1, Q2, Q3, and also the null closure. So Q1 null closure, Q1, Q3, Q2 and Q3, and all the union is this answer. Okay, now we have got a new state, right? This one a new state, so we just do the same for new state, Q1, Q2, Q3, and here I check that if we just do the union of these 3s, we get Q2 only, and if we do the null closure of Q2, we get Q1, Q3, right? Okay, okay, so let's start again. So we are bringing the values of union of Q1, Q2, Q3 for input 0, so we get Q2 only, and now it's time to find out the null closure of Q2. Null closure of Q2 means here Q2 and its null closure is Q2 only, so we put Q2 only. Okay, now let's find Q1, Q2, Q3 transition for input 1. So we just union them all, and we just union them if as we get all values, so we need all null closure union. So if we union on them all, we get Q1, Q2, Q3, and there is a new state also, so we find the Q2 value as well. So if we just check Q2 for input 0, we get 5, that means death state, that is 5, and if we find the value for 1, we get Q2 and its null closure is Q2 also. So that's it, and now this is a new complete DFA. That's all for today. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.